Okay, let us start now. Thanks everyone for your patience. So I'm starting here. My name is Pranav Baraskar. Okay, in total I'm having almost 15 years of experience into SAP. I am SAP trainer for SAP FICO, MM and SD module, and I will be guiding you through the demo for SAP. If in case anyone has any doubts or queries, please let me know. अगर किसी के कोई डाउट्स होंगे मुझे पूछ लीजिए. ओके.
Yes, Pranav. Thank you.
ओके इसमें हम लोग पूरा सिलेबस देख लेंगे. ऑल्सो वी विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट द सर्वर एक्सेस, कंसेप्ट्स एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज, और भी बहुत सारी और भी चीजें हैं. इफ इन केस यू हैव एनी डाउट्स और क्वेरीज, प्लीज लेट मी नो. आई विल गाइड यू. ओके, सो लेट मी शेयर द स्क्रीन नाउ. विल स्टार्ट द बेसिक पार्ट. Yes, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So I'm sharing the screen. So this is the entire syllabus part. Also, we are going to learn the concepts and opportunities in SAP. Also, this is the server access, which I wanted to show you. Server is for basically S4 HANA. HANA means high performance analytic application. This is the latest module and the updated one, latest module. Okay, so let us start now here. Okay, let us start the details over here. Now, just wanted to show you the concepts and opportunities in SAP. If anyone has any doubts, you can please ask me, okay? I'll guide you. I'll guide you. Okay, wait 2 minutes, huh? Wait 2 minutes. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Am I audible to everyone? Please let me know, okay?
Yes,
Yeah. So
yes.
let me share the screen first of all. Yeah. So here all the details I'm going to show you. So regarding SAP, we are going to learn the concepts and opportunities most importantly. So SAP is what? So please understand, SAP is a name of a company, systems, application and production and data processing. SAP एक company का नाम है, okay? Just like Oracle, ERP, SAP is the name of a company. So SAP is basically user friendly. You can call it user friendly. It is liable. Also, it is easy to process. It is extremely easy to process. You can call it very easy to process. It is affordable. Even the small scale companies and startup companies can afford SAP. So it is affordable. So it can be
सर
installed at
कितनी
every organization. Yes, yes.
मंथली कितने का होता है सर? कितने मंथ का वो पीरियड है इसमें स्टार्टिंग मतलब करने का ड्यूरिंग?
कोर्स का ड्यूरेशन सर ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 से 3 महीने का है. या कोर्स का ड्यूरेशन इज 2.5 to 3 months.
अच्छा अच्छा.
प्रणव, हम डेली क्लास लेंगे तो फिर भी 3 महीना लगेगा क्या?
हाँ, डेली क्लास नहीं होता है सर. एक अल्टरनेट डे पे क्लास होता है, जैसे कि मंडे, वेडनेसडे, फ्राइडे, ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे, सैटरडे, सैटरडे और संडे ऐसे हो सकते हैं क्लासेस. वीकडेज और वीकेंड पे क्लासेस होंगे आपके.
अच्छा, वो
Week
जल्दी नहीं हो सकता है? मतलब 1 महीना और 1.5 महीना में खत्म नहीं हो सकता? वो थोड़ा डेली डेली क्लास करके खत्म करना है.
नहीं, इतना जल्दबाजी में नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ना आपको पूरा कंसेप्ट समझ के, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका इंटरव्यू क्लियर होना भी चाहिए ना. जल्दबाजी में पढ़ा देंगे वो नहीं है, लेकिन समझ में आना भी बहुत जरूरी है. इसका प्रैक्टिस होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि
ओके.
ना प्रैक्टिस के लिए टाइम लगता है. कंसेप्ट
week
अच्छा सर,
समझना.
इसका जो एग्जाम होता है, लास्ट में एग्जाम जो होता है वो क्लियर कितने टाइम में करना होता है?
देखिए 3 अटेम्प्ट से एग्जाम क्लियर करने के लिए, वो बाद में आपको पता चल जाएगा सर. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट हम लोग ने पहले सिलेबस देख लेते हैं, बाकी सारी चीजें तो बाद में हो ही जाएंगी, वो कोई इशू नहीं है. सो एसएपी क्या है देखिए, इट्स ऑफ द कंपनी सिस्टम्स एप्लीकेशन एंड प्रोडक्शन डेटा प्रोसेसिंग. ये पूरा आपका यूजर फ्रेंडली, लाइबल, इजी टू प्रोसेस होगा. एफोर्डेबल, यू कैन कॉल इट एज it can be affordable to each and every company. It is deployed globally. ये सबसे important part है कि पूरे world में available है. It's a multi-country, multi-currency software deployed globally. Also, it improves effectiveness of an organization. ओके और एक्यूरेट एंड इंस्टेंट मतलब सारे जो रिपोर्ट्स है आपके जैसे अच्छा कोई बताएगा कौन कौन सी रिपोर्ट्स निकालते हैं हम लोग व्हाट आर द रिपोर्ट्स इन एसएपी so different types of reports we'll see so we can prepare all the reports properly over here with the help of SAP also implement the all-in-one application for structuring and managing the entire financial and accounting structure ये बहुत important part है then apart from this we can become more organized with a better record management, improved financial reporting and ease in the decision making process. So देखिए यहाँ पे सारे रिपोर्ट जो कौन कौन से होते थे मैं आपको बताता हूँ SPRO, SAP रेफरेंस IMG इसके अंदर आपके पूरे देखो सारे रिपोर्ट्स आ जाएंगे हाँ so through OB58 we are going to prepare all the financial statement like trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet and country wise versions we can prepare. Example financial statement version for US, UK, India, every country reports we can prepare as per chart of accounts. Yeah, what is chart of accounts? Anyone tell me what is chart of accounts? So we can prepare. See, bank account over here with the help of see, yearly chart of accounts. Okay, chart of account is what? S4 HANA. Yes. It is with S4 HANA only. Lata ma'am, yes. Oh yeah, what is chart of accounts? Anyone can you tell me what is chart of accounts? Such kind of questions will be asked to you in an interview. Chart of account is a list of general ledger account being prepared in order to maintain all the financial statements for a company. Okay, chart of accounts are very, very important for every business organization. Okay, yeah. So we can prepare all the yearly chart of accounts for a company. It is S4 HANA only. Yes, ma'am. This is S4 HANA. I have told you, see, S4 HANA only. S4 HANA is a name of a system. Okay, earlier it was ECC system, Enterprise Central Component. Right now it is S4 HANA. In the year 2010, the new system has developed. It is called as S4 HANA and it is being used across all the organizations. Right now, SAP has got almost 70% market share as compared to any other market share. SAP has got the greatest market share in terms of ERP development. Then apart from this, there are several other details like finance managers can compute entire financial condition of the business in a real-time base through SAP Finance and Controlling. Very, very important part. We are going to learn this one as well. Also, then apart from this, we have the other details like, see, this is the career path. You can call it as career hierarchy for SAP. So you can become associate consultant. You can also become consultant. Yes, any doubt? If in case anyone has any doubt, you can ask me.
Yeah, Pranav, see, when you say this is S4 HANA, and when you're referring to ECS, the Enterprise Centralized, whatever the previous versions, being a consultant, do we need to have both the knowledge, or only do you cover HANA only in this course?
See,
how do you?
HANA is an updated version. Actually,
I know it is came in the year 2015 in between, but what about the earlier, if the implementation come as a being a own consultant, right? If you need to transition from as is to be, that is from ECS to the HANA, then you should also have that enterprise knowledge as well, right? The previous
we'll
version
cover
also.
that. We'll cover that.
Okay, so that's what I want to understand. Yeah,
Now
right. Thanks.
we can start working as associate consultant. We can become consultant, senior principal consultant, and even the solution architect as well. This is the detailed hierarchy for SAP consultant over here. We can learn and understand. Also, apart from this, we will be defining the details like you can start working from junior management level, middle management, senior management, and higher management level. This is the hierarchy of SAP consultant. Please understand this. Also, we can start, if anyone is a fresher, they can start working from entry level, intermediate level, consultant level, and expert level. So this is the basic hierarchy for SAP consultant. Very, very important one. Yeah. Then apart from this now, we will be learning like what are the details involved in terms of SAP. Like starting with SAP finance and controlling part. So finance is mainly involved for external requirement and controlling for internal requirement. Most of the practical part comes under finance. So we have balance sheet preparation, cash flow, fund flow statement. Also, we can we can prepare legal and statutory accounts for a company. Statutory means compulsory by law as per the requirement of organization. Okay, these are the details over here. Then standard ledgers we can define and maintain. Apart from that, master data integration with the controlling part, and which is very important for us to define and maintain. Apart from this, in terms of controlling part, cost center reports, sales and profit analysis, also management accounts and managing budget expenditure. Any doubt if anyone has, please ask me. Both are separate modules. We are going to learn them separately. Yeah, if you're a mechanical student, you can certainly be able to join the classes. No problem. Absolutely fine. Then let us start and see the entire syllabus part here.
Pranav, is this the slide that you are showing is the only high level, the what you call scope, or the entire? I mean, we have a detailed, further, elaborated chapters.
Yeah, elaborated chapters. Afterwards, we are going to learn. So that is the reason it takes 2.5 to 3 months to complete the course. Yeah.
Okay. Whatever you are showing, it is very high level, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We'll be starting right from the beginning. What is ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and SAP? SAP is a systems application and production and data processing. And FICO. FICO means finance and controlling part. We are going to learn the finance and controlling part. And even the accounting entries also we are going to learn, like journal entries for a company. Journal is a primary book of accounts. So we are going to define and maintain the entries in a journal as per requirement of organization. And the types of projects. So there are different types of project like implementation project, development project, enhancement project, country wise. So different types of projects we are going to learn. After completion of the course also, you will get different projects to work on so that you will get a hands-on practice, and we will help you to prepare your interview examination. Exam is MCQ exam, multiple choice question. So we'll help you with that. In all the aspects we will be covering.
Pranav, regarding this examination, is it a global SAP certification or is it only certified by Henry, your institute?
Regarding certification, you can have a word with customer support. They will guide you. Your relationship manager, they will guide you.
Okay. I mean, whatever that you are talking about MCB, is the test is internal test or external test? That's what I'm interested to understand. Pranav, is my question clear?
Yes, your question is.
Okay. So I'm asking about, is it internal or an external?
External can also be done. Once have a word with them. They do have different scenarios for the same job.
So if that is, external needs to be contacted customer support, what about this MCB? Does it have any minimum, qualification or a cutoff? What if the student fails?
Student fails, then you can give the exam once again. But there are certain scenarios you can get it cleared by them. They will give you a proper idea.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so let us go ahead now.
And sorry, another question. Are these participants or whatever the class that you have, are they working professional or it is a combination of students plus working professionals?
Yeah, everyone. It's a combination, basically.
It is a combination, not an exclusive working professionals, right?
No, no, no.
Yeah, okay, fine.
You can, yeah, certainly join the batches. There is no negative marking in the exam, man. There is no negative marking. So we are going to understand the company. So the first important topic is organization structure. So this is with S4 HANA. We are going to learn. See here. First topic, SPRO. SPRO is SAP Project Reference Object. Here we are going to define everything one by one. The first topic is enterprise structure. In that, first of all, we need to define a company. It's a group of company. Example, in this step, we can create companies. A company is an organizational unit in accounting that allows you to organize your enterprise to meet certain legal requirements in the country or a region. Okay. So basically, company is a group of company. Example, Tata Group of Company, Birla Group of Company, Mahindra Group of Company, Reliance Industries Limited, likewise. So company we are going to create, and after creation of a company, we are going to create company code. Now, what is company code? Under one group, we can have different company codes. Like under Tata Group, we have Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Power, Tata Communications Limited, likewise. Or like under this one, Bajaj Group of Company, we can have Bajaj Motors, Bajaj Electricals, Bajaj Finance. So one group of company and different company codes can be created under that particular group. So it is called as a combination of all the company codes. Also, we can assign company code to company. So creation is basically defining over here. Under that assignment, assignment is basically attaching. In terms of consolidation, we are going to attach all the company code to the company for consolidation purpose. Ensure that each company code is assigned to a company. In this step, you assign the company code that you want to include in the group accounting to a company. So all the company codes will put together. We will define the consolidation of the reports for a company. It is being defined likewise. Yeah. Now placement will also be done. You can talk to relationship manager. They will guide you regarding placements. We do have a tie-up as well with several companies. For the detailed things, you can talk to them. They will guide you. Then a business area. Business area means main business of company. So geography-wise and product-wise business areas we have. Geography-wise business areas are like, for example, different geographies like Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai. Likewise, we have a different business areas for a company, and product-wise business areas are like software, hardware, manufacturing, automobile, pharmaceutical, likewise. So different business areas we can cover here. Also, functional areas. These are the departments in a company. So company has got different departments, so we can maintain here. I'll show you, see, the functional area. For example, see, sales and distribution, production, admin, research and development, receivable, payable, accounts receivable, accounts payable, general ledger, human resources. So it's a structure we are going to create here for a company, a basic structure. Also, we'll be creating a credit control area. For example, we can give credit to different customers. See, not individual customer, but our super stockist, authorized distributors will get a credit from us in order to perform the business function properly. So just like, for example, you have taken a loan from a bank. Okay, so bank will give certain, before giving the loan, bank will check certain criteria like your Form 16, salary slip, and the most important part, your credit control, credit score. We call it as a CIBIL score. Similar way, we also need to check all the details, and then only the credit is given to the different customers. Also, segment part. So for segment is basically what? We have a geography-wise and product-wise segment. So geography-wise segments are like international, domestic, urban, rural. And product-wise segments are like software, hardware, manufacturing, automobile. Also, apart from that, if you have a automobile company, So product-wise segments are like two-wheeler segment, four-wheeler segment, electrical vehicle segment. So likewise, so customer requirement के अनुसार हम लोग segment define करेंगे इसमें. We can prepare and maintain segment as per customer requirement. FM areas are like, for example, different types of financial management areas, country-wise currencies we can prepare. Example are for India it is INR, for UK it is the GBP, USA it is US dollar. So country-wise currency we can prepare under FM area, financial management area. Okay, this is how the first topic is being done. Then the second one, financial accounting global settings part we can maintain. Activate new general ledger accounting. Now in this we can activate new general ledger. In India we define the general ledger as for the fiscal year for India is April to March. So I'll show you all the details. This is the important part in the system. So it comes under financial accounting. Under that global settings part we can maintain ledgers, and under the ledgers we can define and maintain fiscal year and posting periods here. So posting periods are 12 because 12 months, and four special periods are 4 quarters. Quarters are like 3 months time. Example, April to June, first quarter. July to September. Right now the second quarter is going on. July to September, October to December, and January to March. ये 4 quarters आपके रहेंगे एक साल के अंदर. Also, country-wise, we can define April to March, July to June, October to September. As per the requirement of country, we can define. So it is important for us to define and maintain. For recording, you can talk to customer support team, your relationship manager. They will give you recording, yes. Okay, so likewise, we can define and maintain all the details over here. Apart from this, we can assign the company code to fiscal year variant. Like for example, there are 4 different company codes are operating in India. All of them will use April to March because they are operating in India. Then we also have a posting keys. Posting key क्या होता है? Posting key is a 2-digit numerical key being defined and maintained as per the requirement of organization. Likewise, ADKMS. So we can maintain posting keys like A for assets, D for debtors or customers, K for vendors or creditors, M for material, and S for general ledger account. So A, D, K, M, S. These are the 5 different types of posting. This is very interesting to learn. We'll be learning this one. Also document types. So document types like for asset document. Yeah. Ma'am, Lata ma'am, regarding the placement, you can talk to your relationship manager. They will give you. I'm a trainer. I will guide you regarding the training part. Okay. Please have a word with relationship manager. They will guide you regarding placement and other details as well. Don't worry about that. We do have placement tie-up with several companies. The list you will get from the placement team. Okay. Yeah, let me complete this one first. Then we will discuss about it. Document types, document number ranges also we can define. And the most importantly, tolerance group. So tolerance is what? So tolerance is basically giving maintaining a limit for the customers. For example, we can maintain certain amount of limit for customers to make a billing, like 20, 25, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs. So this is the amount employees are allowed to make a billing for several customers. Okay, then also we can maintain global parameters. This is important part. Now, general ledger, as we have seen, chart of account. Chart of account is a list of general ledger account being defined and maintained as per the requirement of organization. Chart of account is a list of general ledger accounts. Okay. Likewise, we are going to define account groups. So under the account groups, we can have different types of account groups. Mainly, they are liabilities, assets. Together, it forms as a balance sheet. Income and expenditure. Together, it will form as trading and profit and loss account for a company. Okay. Liabilities and asset, income and expenditure, we can define and maintain. Then we have a retained earnings account. So anyone, can you tell me what is retained earning account? Any idea? This concept, what this concept all about? While doing the course, we need to prepare ourselves for the interview. Interviewer is most importantly would like to know the conceptual clarity, whether you understand the concept. Then it is going to be very important for you. So retained earning क्या है? Retained earning is basically Yeah, it's a part of a profit. So basically, every year company earns good amount of profit. So from the profit, we need to pay dividend to the shareholders. Dividend is a part of a profit given to the shareholders in proportion to the shares they own. So rather than distributing it among the shareholders as a dividend, company management decides to keep the profit for the future purpose. So retained earning is kept in a company for future growth. And retained earning is called as liability for a company because ultimately it's a public money. We need to give it to the public. Assign company code to rule type, sample account. So we can create sample account for a company, create general ledgers as well. And then we have certain amount of accounting entries also can be defined and maintained. Also, we can define financial statement versions. It's like different types of financial statement versions we can maintain and define over here. The like trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet likewise. Then the next important part over here is tax configuration. Now, under taxation, very important topic. I'll show you what we can do is we can define mainly two types of taxes: input tax and output tax. Input tax is a tax on purchases, a tax that is charged by the vendor. Vendor means what? A person or a company from whom we buy goods on a credit basis. It is called as vendor account. A claim for the refund of the deductible portion of input tax can be submitted to tax authorities. So input tax means a tax charged by the vendor on the purchases. Generally, we have a purchases which is called as raw material. So whatever purchases we have done from the vendors, we can claim it back from the government at the time of our sales. So it is going to be termed as a asset. Input tax asset, output tax liability. Now, output tax kya hai? Output tax means a tax which is a tax levied on customers at the time of sales. Okay, mainly at all levels actually. All levels means right from production to service provider to wholesaler to retailer to customer. Okay, so taxation part सबसे important part है. We are going to learn it in a proper manner. I am also going to give you how to make a journal entries for taxation as well. So it is output tax is the GST part because it is an indirect tax. So there are four types: CGST, SGST, IGST, UTGST. Mainly it's a liability. So because it's a liability, it comes under debit side of a balance sheet. Okay. So it's a liability part. So central goods and service tax, state goods and service tax, integrated goods and service tax, and union territory goods and service tax. Four different types of taxes we can maintain and define here as per the requirement. Tax on purchases, input. Tax on sales, output tax. After that GST part, we are going to learn payable. Now, payable is what? Accounts payable is basically liability for a company because we are going to deal with the different types of vendors, or we can call it as creditors. So vendors are like domestic, local vendor, import vendor, foreign vendor. Local vendors are always there. Like most of the companies have maximum transaction with local vendor. So also accounts payable will be integrated with material management. So we are going to learn part as well. FI to integration through accounts payable part we are going to learn. Create number ranges for vendor account, assignment of number ranges to vendor account groups, and define tolerance for the vendors. Tolerance means what? A limit. Actually, here we are going to define how much tolerance we can tolerate, like how much we can tolerate when there is a foreign payment. Like, see, every company will have a foreign vendors at the time of exchange. Exchange rate difference, we need to adjust in terms of tolerance. Like dollar to rupee exchange rate, pound to rupee, or any particular Canadian dollar to rupee exchange rate, we are going to define and maintain over here. Create the sundry creditors account we can maintain, defining tolerance group for vendors. Also, vendor payment terms. So we have different types of vendor payment terms like manual payment term, automatic payment program. Okay, so likewise we can maintain and define here. So APP क्या है? With the help of automatic payment program, we can fetch all the due and overdue invoices for the vendors and customers and can make a payment at the same time. It is called as APP, Automatic Payment Program Configuration. Also here, for accounts payable, one more important part we are going to learn, and that is the sure shot question in your interview. That is P2P process, procure to pay, right from purchasing till the payment part, procure to pay process. Very, very important.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sir, this side Gurmeet here. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. One of my candidate he recently joined right now. His name is Abhishek Raghav.
Okay. Fine. 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 No problem.
Okay.
Fine.
Abhishek,
Okay.
if you have
So,
any doubts,
sure.
you can please directly connect with sir. Okay.
Yeah. You can ask me. No problem. Fine. Okay, so we are going to learn here P2P procedure, APP, automatic payment program, and vendor master data. Mainly here we are going to learn the business partner concept. Business partner is a person or a company who has got a business interest in a company. So anyone can be a business partner. For example, customer, vendor, sales agent, or anyone. The person who brings business for a company will be called as a business partner. Okay, ये concept बहुत बड़ा है. In that, everything is involved. So we are going to learn accounts payable, and the most important part will be learning integration between FI to MM. So that is very, very important part from interview and exam point of view. Apart from this, we are going to learn receivable. Exactly opposite to payable, receivable. Payable is a liability, receivable is an asset. Payable comes under balance sheet liability side. Receivable comes under asset side. And receivable is integrated with SD, sales and distribution. Payable is integrated with the material management. Please understand the difference. Receivable is about customers. So we have domestic customer, export customer, one-time customer. All kinds of customers are asset for a company. Please remember, because we are going to receive money from the customers. Okay, so customer accounts we are going to maintain. Different groups of customer, create number ranges. So number range is very, very important. Assign number ranges to customer account groups. Define the tolerance group for customer. Again, the tolerance group. So while dealing with the foreign customer, we need to adjust the amount, like the exchange rate difference. That particular part will come under tolerance group. Very, very important part. There are 4 different types of tolerances, like tolerances for employee, tolerances for GL account, tolerance for customer, and tolerance for vendor. Okay, very important part. Then assignment of number ranges to customer account groups. Also define tolerance for customer and the customer payment term. Again, very important. Now, the other important part is dunning procedure configuration. So dunning is what? Dunning is a reminder to the customer in order to make a payment on time against the due bills. Example for this is that, for example, if you have taken a loan from a bank, okay. So if you have taken any kind of a loan from a bank will send you a reminder message on 25th or 26th of every month that, dear customer, your loan EMI is due on the last day of this month. So please make the necessary arrangement to make a payment on time against the due bills in order to avoid any kind of a penalties in the future. It is called as dunning procedure. It's a small reminder. It is not a legal notice. The similar kind of thing we also can do for our customers. And see, not all the customers do require dunning. Only few customers who makes little late. For them, we just need to send a reminder message. So it's a proper configuration, a procedure we are going to learn. Dunning procedure configuration. Okay. Importantly, we will be defining this in a practical manner as well. Then we have a bank accounting, very important topic. Under that, we can create bank key. Now, bank key is a 16-digit alphanumeric code which is used and utilized across the world. Okay, so it's a you can call it as international code as well. Creation of bank key through which we can identify our bank in a particular country. House bank. House bank is a multi-purpose bank. So we can certainly be able to have different house banks for one company code. Like Tata Motors will have different house banks as well. Different types of house banks for a company we can define and maintain here. Then In this, we can define and maintain global settings for EBS, electronic bank statement. Sorry. So in terms of electronic bank statement, we can maintain the bank statement electronically. As per the requirement of organization, we can maintain electronic bank statement. Everything we can define and maintain here. Next very important part is treasury management part. Under this, we can define logbox. Logbox concept is specifically used in USA. Logbox is a special depository account opened in a bank for the customers to make a payment on time against the due bills. It is called as logbox. Special depository account opened in a bank for the customers to make a payment on time against the due bills. So it is called as logbox. Then we have logbox posting data and even the source symbols for a company. All these topics one by one we are going to learn. I'm showing you the detailed syllabus here. These are all the step-by-step procedure we are going to maintain. Then asset accounting, extremely important topic. Under this, we can define depreciation. Chart of depreciation, like chart of accounts, we have chart of depreciation here. So depreciation is what? It's a decrease in the value of asset due to wear and tear. We can define and maintain depreciation. Different types of depreciation we can maintain. Asset classes, asset number ranges, and even we can define screen layout rule for the asset accounting part. Maintaining the depreciation key we can define, and even investment management part we can define. So under the investment management part, define investment program types. Also assign program types to operative objects for a company. Define investment profiles, and even we can define budget profile. Investments are like asset under construction, investment in shares, bonds, likewise. So different types of investment. We also have a budget for a company. Like the country has a budget, we can have a company-wise budget as well. Yes, so anyone has any questions or doubts, you can ask me. And here we will be learning through S4 HANA. Okay, everything we are going to learn S4 HANA. As I shown it to you, these are the different requirements we will be learning. Here, the most important part, these are the roles offered to you. Once you complete the course, you can become an associate consultant, senior and principal consultant, even the solution architect. This is the hierarchy. Anybody has any doubt, you can ask me, please. This is the detailed syllabus. I have shown it to you. You will receive your server access. Also, we will help you with the detailed notes, PPT presentation, and the latest SAP books as well, which is very important for you to prepare for interview. And if in case any doubts or queries you have, you can ask your relationship manager. They will guide you. Or regarding the other, like few of the students have doubts regarding the placement. So relationship manager will guide you regarding placement. You can have a word with them. They will guide you. Any questions regarding the syllabus part? Anyone has any questions? Please let me know. Hello, any questions? Anyone has any questions? Please let me know.
Pranav, syllabus-wise, it is okay, but could you please throw some light from a user perspective and consultant perspective? Is it the training will be given from the user perspective or a consultant? What is the difference between a user and a consultant?
User is basically end user, sir. And consultant means basically consultant is going to prepare the business blueprint for a company. It means that how the structure actually works. So a consultant will guide a company to make the entries, like day-to-day entries, and apart from that, month-end closure, the quarter-end and year-end closure. Apart from that, how to use the taxation part and even the integration between several modules. That particular part will be covered by the this one consultant. User is there for the end user perspective, like making the entries, everyday entries. So consultant main job is to prepare the business blueprint, and even to get in touch with the clients in order to understand their requirements and prepare a proper structure for a company which can be utilized for the years.
That is true, but my question is, the training is from a which perspective? Is it from a, see, actually
Consultant,
there are two roles, right?
consultant
Profiles,
perspective.
consultant
Consultant perspective.
perspective.
Yes.
Okay, okay. What about if a student gets as a user, say suppose if Reliance or some maybe the organizations which are not tech, they recruited as an user, right? They have the software implemented for their organization, and the person is appointed as a SAP accounting manager, where he need to post the general entries.
That part will be taught to you. That is the basic part. We will learn that one. No problem.
Okay, okay. So you mean to say both user perspective
Okay.
as well as a consultant perspective will
Consultant.
be covered, right?
Yeah, both the parts will be covered.
Okay, right. Thanks. Okay.
Yes, Aditya sir, any doubt, sir? Aditya sir, any doubt? Do you understand the concept and every other? If in case any doubt you can you can ask me. Yeah. So
Pranab, in your slide, you have explained about financial part, but what about that controlling? You have not told anything about controlling. Could
controlling
you
also
please?
be covered. Yeah, why not? Why not? Sure. So regarding the controlling part, we are going to learn the practical scenarios here. So in terms of controlling, we will be learning internal orders, cost center accounting, general controlling, and the mainly COPA part, controlling and profitability analysis, product cost controlling, profit center accounting. That part will be covered. Yes. So mainly controlling is for internal requirement, that is theoretical part, but accountancy is a practical part we are going to cover for preparation of balance sheet and financial reports. So that both the parts will be covered here. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. See, general controlling and every other details. Total, these topics will be covered. Yes. Anybody has any other doubt? Please let me know. Yeah, if in case any doubt is there, yeah, I will wait for 5 more minutes. No problem. Anyone has any doubt? Aditya sir, you can ask me a doubt. Anmol, Soumya ma'am, if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
May I know the course fees, please?
Fees, you can talk to the relationship manager. They will guide you.
Okay,
Gurmeet sir is here. He will guide you regarding the course fees and other details. Yes.
okay.
Yeah. That part will be taken care of. Course fees, also the placement. The most important part is that understanding of the course and from the interview point of view. That is important. Course fees you will be given direct to by Gurmeet sir is here. You can talk to him. He will guide you. Yes.
Pranav, one more question. I'm sorry. See, for deciding it on your module, say suppose we have not only FICO, right? Why should I go for a FICO, leaving it maybe or HR or SND? How would I decide? How do I need to decide?
See, finance and controlling is a basic model. It will be integrated with material management, SD, and other modules as well. But in
Okay.
terms of finance and controlling, you are going to learn right from the beginning how to create company and creation of a company till the end of all the details. Because finance is very basic model, and not just right now, but there are several job opportunities in finance model. Out of 10, almost 7 jobs are there for finance. So it's a never-ending concept, and most importantly, the demand is very huge. So if you are a finance consultant, you can certainly be able to work on different modules like MM and SD. Because see,
Okay.
accounts payable covers 80%, 80 to 85% of this one material management syllabus. Also, the account receivable part covers similar kind of SD syllabus as well. So that is basically you are going to learn. Also, will provide you in-depth and practical knowledge as well. So finance is very detailed and it will give you a larger perspective of this course.
Perfect answer. Thank you so much. Yeah, it helps a lot.
Yes,
Great.
surely,
Thank
surely.
you. Thank you.
Because I have seen several of our students are placed in several huge companies and they are making good career. So this is not just for the completion of the course or any new job. It is for the entire syllabus because we need to consider from 15, 20 years from now. Because see, SAP is in the market since 1972 and it has got a huge scope. So you can name the industry right from A to Z. All the industries are using SAP, right from aeronautical industry to oil and gas sector, BFSI, banking, financial services and insurance, FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, automobile sector, oil and gas sector. Also, you can take IT, ITES sector. Everywhere SAP is used. 70% market is acquired by SAP.
Perfect.
Oil and gas is the huge sector where SAP is used. So you can say not just in India, but across the world. So it's a huge opportunities for you. You can become a consultant. So see, there are several work from home opportunities. Even you can work on different projects at the same time with the experience. Once you gain a good experience, you can become, you can work on several projects at the same time. So it is going to be a win-win situation for the consultants. Okay, yeah, so we'll stop here for today. I hope everyone has understood this one. Okay, if in case any doubt, you can talk to customer support team, they will guide you. Yeah, chalo. Thanks everyone. Have
Sure.
a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thank you.
everyone. Bye.
Thank you, Pranav.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Pranav.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
हेलो प्रणव सर। प्रणव सर, हेलो।
हाँ सर, बोलिए ना। ये सर।
सर मेरा भी जो कैंडिडेट मैंने आपको बताया था ना, थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन हुए थे,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
इनके कुछ डाउट्स है तो इनको थोड़ा क्लियर कर दीजिए प्लीज।
हाँ, कहाँ है वो? बोलिए ना उनको
साहब
क्या।
में है, बैठे हुए हैं, अभिषेक राघव नाम से।
आप पूछिए ना सर, क्या डाउट्स है आपके? पूछिए पूछिए।
अभिषेक सर, अभिषेक जी,
सारा सेशन तो
आप आप
किया।
आपकी सर आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है, थोड़ा सा एक बार नेटवर्किंग में जाकर बात
अब
करें।
कल का, हाँ, मैं बोला था कल का है क्या कोई शेड्यूल डेमो का?
प्रणव सर, आप कल का ले रहे हो क्या, मॉर्निंग का?
कल मॉर्निंग, कल देखिए, कल 12 बजे।
किसी भी टाइम रख लीजिए सर, कल संडे है ना, किसी भी टाइम होगा
कल
चलेगा।
हाँ,
बारह
कल 12 बजे का वैसे है सर।
एक 12 बजे का डेमो है, आप देखिए उसमें ज्वाइन हो सकते तो हो जाइए।
ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें पूरा सारा तो निकल गया, एंडिंग मुझे लगता है एंडिंग था, है ना?
12 बजे कल ज्वाइन हो
तो
जाइए।
क्या पूछूं?
12 बजे आपको मैं
हाँ हाँ,
गाइड कर दूँ, कोई इशू नहीं। कल 12 बजे एक डेमो है।
ठीक।
हाँ हाँ, एक
ठीक है, ओके।
शिवम सर ने मुझे भेजा था एक लिंक, तो आप प्लीज
ठीक
उसमें
है,
ज्वाइन हो जाइए। इट विल बी
मैं
हेल्प।
एक काम करता हूँ अभिषेक, मैं अभी आपको ना डेमो का आपको लिंक शेयर कर दूँ कल 12 बजे के लिए, तो आप याद से वो
ठीक है,
ज्वाइन
बिल्कुल
कर
श्योर,
दीजिएगा,
या
ठीक है?
हाँ, लेट मत होइए
ठीक
सर
है,
प्लीज।
ठीक है,
12 बजे ज्वाइन हो जाइए। आपको
हाँ
पूरा,
हाँ,
तो आप कोई भी डाउट हो पूछ लीजिए, लेकिन आपके डाउट क्लियर करा लीजिए,
ठीक,
ये बहुत जरूरी है सर, क्योंकि आपकी करियर
बिल्कुल
का सवाल है इसके
बिल्कुल।
वजह से। हाँ जी।
हाँ हाँ, वही है, ठीक है।
डन डन डन। ओके, कल 12 बजे दोपहर को ज्वाइन हो जाइए सर। डन।
डन सर, डन।
ओके
थैंक
ओके
यू।
ओके सर, ओके सर,
सर
थैंक
गुरमीत
यू।
सर, थैंक यू। अभिषेक जी, धन्यवाद। चलो बाय।